What the hell am I doing here? In this miserable place? I'm risking my life. For what exactly?
They are driven to pursue it. So driven, they do it entirely for their own sake.
This isn't the time for thinking. I should focus on wielding my sword. I will kill them. Nothing more.
Everyone to another video. This is a continuation from the previous video. This is mostly gonna be an ASMR type video. If you want to listen to the bike and everything, this is the video. And I'm riding home here, but I cut the video halfway because it wasn't that exciting of a ride, you know. So yeah, I cut the video. Then I made an outro video. You can stay for that or just watch the riding part. In this video I don't really ride pretty fast because I decided just to take it easy and, you know, enjoy the environment because there were like really nice views. I hope you guys see that in the video. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more content and like, share, comment and subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions if you have any, and I'll try answer it as best as I can. Enjoy the video. mostly to the newer riders and the riders that just upgraded to the bigger bike, the faster bike, the louder bike. And this is something I'm also learning. You know, I'm trying to get into my system, and it's you don't always have to be going 250. You don't always have to be going 200. You know, riding at the speed limit is okay. If you feel uncomfortable, you know, and you wanted to go for a ride thinking it's gonna be like super fun, it's okay to like just dial it back because you're not feeling comfortable. Or if you just want to ride slow, regardless of the reason, it's okay. And that's just something I'm also trying to get into my system, you know. And yeah, bit by bit, of course, most of my videos I'm riding fast, but I have some other videos where I literally ride the speed limit all the way to my destination, just chilling with my cruise control on, nothing too crazy. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and feel free to take the advice. Of course, the decision is up to you. You don't have to take my advice or anything, but yeah, thank you for watching. This could potentially be the last ride of my time here till I go back to school. I'm leaving in a few days. Just from here onwards, I think I already have like one video I'll record. Then I don't know. That's just gonna be pretty much it for I'll probably ride around nearby. Nothing too crazy, but you know, I'll still ride here and there, but nothing too major.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
I think because during the week I'll be busy And yeah, that is pretty much it. The bike has been pretty good, and except for lately, it's been ever since the oil change. I don't know if it's just because I use Motul oil or what, but the engine seems louder. But one thing I'm gonna do next time I come back, I'm gonna do of course an oil change will be due, not necessarily as in service, but I think it will be safe just to change it. The oil, I want to do the valve adjustment. I also want to do, of course, spark plugs, you know, timing chain as well. I want to change the one that's on the bike. Currently, the one on the bike is the old one. It's, I believe, the new bikes, not the new bikes, but this year in model, they had a recall done on the S1K, and they changed the timing to the timing change. The timing.
What are you saying, man? What are you saying? What is he saying?
The cam chain tensioner. They changed that to a silver one. That was the updated cam chain tensioner. Mine is still the black one, which is the one that came with the bike, and the bike has over 40 something thousand kilometers, approaching 50k. I wish I could ride 3,000 kilometers right now somehow, but after that, that is pretty much it. Yeah, so alright, so I appreciate you guys and your support. It's been amazing, it's been awesome. The next time I come back home, I'll have more time, so I can plan more things to do. I can plan like proper rides, maybe even outside the country, which is what I hope to do. I haven't been out of the country yet while riding, so that will be fun. Hopefully do some track day content, just all those things. I want to do all those things and put them on the channel. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the ones that are to come. But just generally letting you guys know, this is potentially my last video. I don't know why I'm recording it, but yeah, I'm just to be transparent and let you guys know this is possibly my last time riding till the next time I come back from school. But yeah, otherwise it's been pretty awesome. I always stop here and get the view. It's pretty cool. But besides that, yeah, that's everything. I think let me get you guys a start up and some revs, and then I head out. Oh, I need fuel. There it is.